Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing live swatches of China Glaze's collaboration with Jurassic World. This is their limited edition Jurassic World Dominion collection, which consists of 8 really unique polishes of all different finishes. And after the swatches, I'm going to do a really fun nail art look with one of the polishes inspired by Jurassic World. So let's go ahead and get on into the video. Up first is TRex Appeal, which is one of my favorites from the collection. It's a cool-toned blue-gray cream polish, and it's got a really classic cream formula. It's easy to apply, and it's pigmented as well, and it's opaque in 2 coats. I'm not going to be applying a top coat on any of these polishes, just so you can see how the different finishes dry down. So here's 2 coats of TRex Appeal. Up next is Sandy Scales, and this is a mauve nude matte polish. This one also is very pigmented, it's very creamy, it's easy to apply, and I applied it in 2 coats, but I feel like you could maybe get away with it in 1 coat as well, depending on how thick you apply it, and I actually love how this one dries matte. So here are 2 coats of Sandy Scales. This is Olive Terroir, and this is my other favorite from the collection just because of how unique this polish is. It's an olive green polish, but it's packed with these small clear glitters that give it this really unique texture. It's kind of hard to see the texture when you first apply it, but when it dries down you can really see how much texture those clear glitters add. I applied it in 2 coats, and I would recommend skipping the top coat on this to get the full effect of the texture. Up next is Wrapped Around Your Finger, which is such a good name for this polish. This is a bluish green jelly polish with some gorgeous golden shimmer, and it's also got some blue holographic shard glitters dispersed throughout. Again, I applied it in 2 coats, and the shard glitters do add a little bit of texture, so I'd recommend putting on a top coat. So here's 2 coats of Wrapped Around Your Finger. This one is called You Should Know Betta, and this is a dark blue purple shimmery polish that's packed with some small silver glitters. This one applied again in 2 coats. It was a little sheer on the first coat, but those silver glitters really add a lot of texture to this polish, so I definitely recommend adding a glitter smoothing top coat as well as a glossy top coat. So here's 2 coats of You Should Know Betta. This next one is another one of my favorites from the collection. It's called Let 'Em Roar, and it's an auburn polish with some gorgeous golden shimmer running throughout. It applies beautifully in 2 coats. You just have to be a little mindful of the brush strokes. This one also dries super glossy, and I didn't add a top coat. So here are 2 coats of Let 'Em Roar. This next one is called Orangey Fierce, and this is a fiery orange shimmer polish. It's got an orange jelly base, and it's loaded with these yellow to orange to pink to green iridescent shimmers in it. I applied it in 2 coats, but it is a little more sheer, so you may need a 3rd coat to get it completely opaque, but here's 2 coats of Orangey Fierce. And last but not least is another very unique polish. This is Preserved in Amber, and this is an amber shimmery polish that's got a bunch of amber chrome shard glitters in it. The shard glitters, some of them don't lie completely flat, so you may need a glitter smoothing top coat in addition to a glossy top coat. So here's 2 coats of Preserved in Amber. And as promised, I'm going to use one of the polishes from the collection to create a Jurassic World themed mani, and I'm starting off with 2 coats of Olive Terroir, which is that olive green textured polish. Then I'm going to be using What's Up Nails B055 Stampasaurus stamping plate and a black stamping polish to stamp this dinosaur skin image, and I'm going to stamp that onto all of my nails and then clean up around my nails with a brush dipped in some acetone. I'm not going to apply a top coat just so I can see that texture from that olive green polish shine through, and here is the finished design. So here's one more look at the swatches of the 8 polishes from China Glaze and Jurassic World's collaboration with their limited edition Jurassic World Dominion collection. Let me know in the comments down below which polish is your favorite from the collection. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, but anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!